In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this device cannot start code 10 Wi-Fi error. First thing you're going to do is go here and type in device manager. So here you will be able to see the device managers, and also here you will be able to see your networks. So first thing you can do is just make sure you open this through here. Make sure you're perfectly connected and your Wi-Fi is turned on, and see if this fixes your issue. What you can do is turn this off and on and see if this can fix your issue. Make sure airplane mode is turned off because this can not allow you to connect to the internet. So after this, you will be able to come here to device manager, and here you will see network adapters. Now if you're connected through a cable to your Wi-Fi, you'll see it as Ethernet. If you're connected through a wireless Wi-Fi adapter, you'll see it as this Wi-Fi, and like this is what it looks like. So whatever adapter is broken, you will simply right click on it and click update driver, and here you will be able to go through the update, choose the latest version. As you can see, there's a 2024. Click next, and this will update your driver. Restart your computer and see if this fixes your issue. Now if you're still having issues, what you can do is right click and disable and enable the driver and see if this fixes your issue. So you're gonna disable the driver, right click again, enable it. Now if you're still having issues, then right click and here go to properties, go to driver, and if you have the rollback driver button enabled, you simply want to try and roll back to the older versions. So this perhaps could fix your issue. As you can see, I don't have this option, so I can't do it. So after you do this, you simply want to restart your computer, and hopefully this should fix your issue.